All right, tonight there are a lot of questions over what is causing delays and what's become a very lengthy YSL RICO trial.
Jeffrey Williams, also known as rapper Young Thug, stands at the center of the trial. He's been behind bars for 2 years now, and as Joe Ripley reports, both the prosecution and the defense are working to move this trial along.
A back and forth.
But when the court then steps in.
But here's the problem.
Between Judge Errol Glanville and rapper Young Thug's attorney Brian Steele.
This honorable court, in front of the jury, has addressed me inappropriately,
setting the tone for a tense week in the YSL RICO trial. Steele claims the judge embarrassed him in front of the jury, calling him unprepared.
I am not unprepared. I don't appreciate the court telling me that. I believe that this honorable court is biased against Mr. Williams and or his counsel, and I ask you to consider recusing yourself or don't do this again to me.
The judge says he could have explored other options, but didn't when Steele questioned him.
You can imagine my frustration because all these little delays just elongate out our presentation in front of the jury. That's for your benefit.
Delays in a trial that began in November after nearly a year-long jury selection process. Dozens of witnesses have already taken the stand. The Fulton County DA's office wanted to bring forward 700 witnesses in all before paring that number down to 400. Just this week, an attorney representing one of the defendants, Diamante Kendrick, filed a motion that called to limit that number even more. The motion claims the trial could last through 2027 at the current pace. It calls for the DA's office to present a list of witnesses, what they'll talk about, and prevent any further delays to the trial.
It's long. It's laborious.
We spoke with Young Thug's co-defense attorney, Keith Adams. He says even with multiple defendants, thousands of documents and audio and visual pieces of evidence, there's hope the trial won't last too long.
Everyone's doing their best to move this case along at the best possible pace that it can go, given the dynamics. We've certainly got a number of months to go. I think we'll be done, quite frankly, way before 2027.
The judge's staff sent us a statement saying it would be highly inappropriate for Chief Judge Glanville or any member of his staff to comment on an ongoing trial. In Atlanta, Joe Ripley, 11 Alive News.
And we are following the YSL RICO trial day by day. Right now on our website, we have a timeline for you. It dates back to when the criminal case was first announced. Just search YSL on our website, 11alive.com.